Rise hastily. Thou shalt not delay the inevitable. When thou hast let sloth overtake thee, the day shall be corrupt, fallen into the ruin of idleness and comfort. Rise hastily, so that great feat might come hastily. Thou who dwell in idleness, rise in sloth. Do not question the call, rather react to the call hastily. Abandon thy mind. Thou shalt not listen to the mind that weakens thee. Flee the mind that flocks from challenges, the mind that stays idle, the mind that stays a coward of thy realities of life, hostile and angry when confronted with their greatest enemy, truth. Adopt the true mindset of those who embrace thy challenges, resist thy temptations, strengthen thy tenacity, claim back the life that was stolen from thy cowardness. Accepting the truth results in great feats accomplished. Flee thy weak mind and run to the stoic and strengthened, uninviting to fear. Scout thy land. Do not dwell inside thy cave, hidden and hiding from life, living forsaken from the world, secluded into a soft, brittle ball, crushed whenever needs be to enter the world. The world is waiting for you to take the first step, the first and final step you need to be enlightened into the realm of life. Claim thy new territories and live life as an adventurer, seeking the wonderful opportunities and moments presented, the thoughts and feelings that can't be replicated inside a dark, lifeless shell. Command thy life. Examine your surroundings and the area you rest at. All of thy moments are of thy choice. You control thy life. You control thy actions, thy consequences, thy results. Do not be suppressed to believe that you are unable to take charge. Command the way your life goes. You are responsible. You can accomplish great feats. However, thy negative choices lead to an unaccomplished life. You command your emotions, strengths, weaknesses, pains, joys, success. You command your life. Command thy life to the best of your likings. Nurture thy tenacity. Plant thy seeds of strength and wisdom. Nurture and care for them. There will be moments of flood, moments of blazing heat, but the moments of calm and collected weather outshine them all. Do not dig thy seeds out when floods of misery occur. Rather be grateful thy seeds are underground. Moments of cold, sorrow, pain of thy seeds are unnecessary when thy seeds are tall, strong trees, absorbing all the energy and life to thrive. Cleanse thy kingdom. Take a great care of thy palace, for it shall serve you for thy lasting life. He who manages thy palace manages thy success. He who forgets thy palace and leaves it to dust, cluttered everywhere, lives a cluttered life. Unorganized and frankly, unorganized in life. Gazing at their disordered cave, unsure and uncertain of what to do. Take charge of thy environment in order to perceive thy life better, which allows you to live greater. Prosper in this trait which the filthy cave dwellers are unable to accomplish. They have the audacity to beseech on what tasks to do. Order your kingdom, and they shall take your order. Speak to the notable. Thou shalt not converse with those who are not conversable. Lines shall not stay idle for the mosquitoes to suck their blood. Lines shall not jump around and attempt to eat the small pests rather harden itself to ignore it. Line shall converse with the other strong, like-minded lines, all striving for their purpose, supporting each other like the perfect, symbiotic relationship that is needed for us, that the cave dwellers came, kid.